Hi guys, let's start harvesting our potatoes from the containers. So this is the last harvesting, I guess, that we are going to do. So here we comes. These are the containers of the potatoes that I'm going to harvest, and these too. Let's see how much are we going to get. Let's get our trampoline. This is to put the soil together that I can use them again to plant more in the container. I'm using a small basket. I'm not expecting a lot of potatoes this time. Start removing the leaves. Let's put this down. Empty. Ooh, it looks like it's a good harvest. This is a big one. This is the fall harvest. I don't know what kind of insects are these. These are big worms. Yeah. This is from one container. Okay, that's what we get. I'm not expecting a lot. That's what we got in one container. Now let's go on the other one. fall, and I'm not expecting a lot of the harvest. It looks like this is better. Remember, you can plant your potatoes in the container, even you don't have lots space to the ground to harvest, to plant. I guess that's it. So in these two containers, I got this. From these two containers, I got this harvest. It's a nice harvest. So that's my harvest in these two containers. That's the last harvest on this season, fall season. See the leaves on the ground. And I'm going to harvest also these eggplants. And finish up all my vegetables because it's gonna be colder in the coming weeks. It's start of cold. That's my garlic for next year. So I'm going to harvest also the leftover peppers, different kinds of peppers. I can show you also the last potato that I planted in the container. Let me bring this in the sunroom. So here I have another potato. potatoes came from here. See, I have now. So when it is like this one here, you can plant it, put it in the pot, and in the soil, and then see how it appears to be like this. See, it's growing. It looks like this one will have a good harvest. I filled it up with potatoes. See, you can see there. So yeah, happy planting. It's already fall. That's why I try to harvest them now, because the cold season is coming. And yeah, that's our harvest for today, the last harvest. Oh, I can harvest this too, but I'm not sure if I'm going to show it. Let me see. If there's a lot of snow, I don't think I can harvest. I can video this one. Anyway, so good luck if you plan to harvest potatoes. That's enough for us. That's a good harvest too. Okay, so see you in the next harvesting. Well, before it get cold or we get snow, I'm going to harvest all my peppers. Even in the pot, I also planted these peppers. As long as you water it, it's gonna give you fruits. So that will be our harvesting potatoes this time of year, fall season. Bye now. See you next time. Hopefully next summer. Bye.